The Ridgevent installs completely without extra parts or special tools. You begin by cutting a 2-inch slot along the ridge roofline, 1 inch on each side. Of course, you should be sure to cut through only the sheathing. In houses with a ridge board, you would cut a 3.5-inch slot, 1 3/4 inches on each side of the ridge line. At each end of the ridge, leave a 6 to 12-inch area of uncut sheathing. Leave 6 to 12 inches of uncut sheathing around chimneys as well. Next, at the start of the row, remove approximately 12 inches of the release paper from the bottom side of the material, uncovering the adhesive. Starting at one gable end, press this end into place on the ridge, adhesive side down. Then unroll the full length of the Ridgevent along the ridge line. Again, peel back the release paper on this end and firmly press the material into place. Then remove the release paper, exposing the adhesive sticky side down onto the shingles. Firmly press the material against the roof surface as you continue to remove the release paper. Be sure to roll out the Ridgevent over the entire length of the ridge, including the uncut ends of the roof. Virtually every piece can be used by simply caulking and butting the pieces together. Finally, you install ridge caps directly over the Ridgevent according to the shingle manufacturer's instructions. If using a nail gun, adjust the air pressure so that the nails are not driven home. Leave a nominal 3/4 inch space between the ridge cap and the roof shingle. That's all there is to it. On this roof, the entire Ridgevent installation was completed in under an hour. Compare the features and benefits and you'll see why the Ridgevent is the preferred Ridgevent system. And lastly, the Ridgevent, properly installed, comes with a lifetime limited warranty. Get the Ridgevent and save time and money.